Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the mighty 2025 GMC Denali, a full-size SUV that blends rugged capability with luxurious comfort. Whether you're conquering the city streets or cruising down the highway, the Denali promises an unforgettable driving experience. So, let's see what makes this American behemoth such a compelling choice. The Denali's design commands attention. It boasts a massive chrome grille that exudes power, accentuated by sharp LED headlights and sculpted lines that flow down the entire body. It's a bold statement, but there's a touch of elegance too. Chrome accents gleam against the sculpted body lines, and GMC's signature LED lighting adds a futuristic edge. No matter which trim you choose, from the luxurious Denali Ultimate to the rugged Denali 84 built for off-road adventures, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Step inside the Denali, and prepare to be pampered. You're greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin that offers ample legroom and headroom for even the tallest passengers in all three rows. High-quality materials like leather and wood accents create a refined atmosphere, while the available panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light. Technology is seamlessly integrated, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. Thankfully, GMC incorporates physical buttons for essential functions like climate control, making it user-friendly on the go. The 2025 Denali offers a variety of powertrain options to suit your needs. The standard option is a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers impressive acceleration and towing capability. If you crave even more muscle, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 is available, offering exhilarating performance for those who demand the most. And for those who want a more eco-friendly option, an efficient and impressive diesel inline 6-cylinder engine is also on the table. All Denali models come standard with all-wheel drive, providing confidence and control in any weather condition. Here are a few reasons why the 2025 Denali might be your perfect SUV. It offers a luxurious interior with all the bells and whistles, while remaining a capable off-roader thanks to its powerful engines and standard all-wheel drive. Tech for comfort and convenience. The Denali is packed with technology features to keep you connected, entertained, and safe on the road. The 2025 GMC Denali is a compelling option for those seeking a luxurious and capable full-size SUV. Whether you're a family looking for a luxurious and safe way to travel, or an adventurer seeking a vehicle that can handle any terrain, the Denali has something to offer. So, what do you think of the 2025 GMC Denali? Is it your ideal full-size SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.